All right, the court will sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Walmart. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons. Robert Ortiz.
Can I tell you before we get started, he's a little bit hard of hearing, so if you could really project and speak a little bit slowly.
All right, thank you. All right, could I have parties announced?
Brandon Bray for the state.
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Ortiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and reviewed it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortiz, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah.
Mr. Ortiz, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, less than $2,500, with 2 or more previous convictions. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, I do not have to follow your plea. If I do not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Ortiz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Right here, the plea agreement becomes legally binding. Mr. Ortiz accepts 180 days in state jail for a theft charge enhanced by prior convictions. Once he confirms understanding and waives his right to appeal, the judge has full authority to impose sentence immediately. Notice how carefully each constitutional right is addressed before freedom is restricted. But here's the real question when prior history increases the stakes. Is this a second chance or the system drawing a firm line?
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then how do you plead to the offense charge? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
No contest? Is that your plea?
Yeah, no.
All right. State any evidence?
Judge, we have to say exhibit number 1 and all that's there.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yeah.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just I would urge court to follow the plea bargain that we've reached.
All right, the court will sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Walmart. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so we can go off the record. You're going to have to start doing things differently. If there's an issue with not being able to afford certain things that are necessities, there's the Salvation Army, there's the food bank, there are other places that can help you. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
Norma, what other emails do you have?
It was just a phone call. It was on. I didn't want to take it.
This hearing ends with the court following the plea bargain, 180 days in state jail, no contact conditions, and felony restrictions that carry long-term consequences. The judge's warning makes it clear repeated offenses will escalate punishment legally. With appeal rights waived, his options are limited moving forward. So ask yourself, at what point do repeated mistakes stop being temporary setbacks and start defining someone's future in the justice system? If you found this case as interesting as we did, make sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more real courtroom breakdowns.